So tonight I thought I'd try to figure out and get a level string on here to level up this bathroom area floor. I used a block there with a nail in it with my string line on it. As I move around here, you can kind of tell I'm trying to get level. It's kind of hard to see. You can see the string there a little bit. But this joist here is kind of holding me off. And then I go back over there to that. That's the level I want to be at with the top of my joist. I don't think this is going to work though with this being holding me off. So I'm going to come back here. I think I'm going to raise it up 3/4 of an inch to have a spacer, and then bring my joist up and space it. So let me take this block here and raise it up. Let's see what we can do here. Got my string raised up off this joist now. Got it sandwiched between those 2 3/4 over there. And I raised this block up to the bottom of the joist, or the bottom of that bottom plate of that wall, so I know that 3/4 needs to be up to that so I can space now. The problem I'm having is, looks like this joist that I'm on that I chose to keep in here because it was at the 4-foot mark is right at it. So the thing I'll do now probably is see if this piece of 3/4 pine that I'm using, if it is true equal to the subfloor, sorry, the OSB subfloor or not. So let's carry it over here and we'll just do a simple test. Just put it over here next to this like this, and it appears that's fairly close, but it might be, you can't see it, but it is a little bit thicker. So I'm going to say what we got here as far as spacing goes is good. We'll see how it works. So we'll try to get one floor joist in, pardon the shadow, and see what happens. Well, not super productive, but I think we got it figured out how we get our joist in here. Got 2 in, as you can see. Not a whole lot to see really, but we had to notch this end here just a little bit. To make the difference up for the old rough sawn versus the 3/4. So these aren't tacked off, but we'll get there. I'll break some roofing screws, I think. So anyway, 2 of those, and oh, one more thing. Let me go over here and show you. So we got a few more cabinets tonight. That kind of took up a lot of time, but thanks to Travis for giving us his old cabinets. We're going to try to make them work anywhere we can. Oh, and a sink too. So anyway, till next time.